Hello everybody and welcome to this new tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a marketing job. In this video I will guide you through the writing process step by step. I will not only tell you the do's and don'ts, but write a complete cover letter example related to the marketing position. The cover letter example incorporates typical marketing skills and is easily customizable to related marketing positions, such as marketing manager, consultant, specialist, analyst, or Chief Marketing Officer. But before we start, I first want to emphasize on my top 5 points of attention for writing your own version. Number 1. Use the business letter format and keep your letter short, concise and to the point. One page of around 300 words is more than enough. Use a professional font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a font size between 10 and 12 will do. Second, personalize your cover letter and find out to whom you need to address your letter to. If no name is included in the vacancy, check LinkedIn or the company's About Us and staff pages. Also, consider calling the organization to not only ask for the name, but also to show your interest in the job opportunity. Thirdly, understand the most important soft and hard skills for a marketeer. Soft skills include, for example, flexibility to take on new tasks and responsibilities, or what about collaboration skills? In marketing, success relies on team members who work in unison to achieve business growth. Hard skills include, for example, data analysis or technological proficiency in using web analytics and various software tools and email platforms. Find out which skills you got and relate these to the job requirements. Fourthly, when you showcase your skills and qualifications, do not simply list them like in your resume, but include results and recognition you received. So make your achievements quantifiable in numbers, percentages, and promotions you made due to efforts and results. At last, prevent typos or errors in your contact information by proofreading your cover letter. Also, use the word spelling check to avoid punctuation, spelling, or grammar mistakes, and let someone else review it. It's key to carefully check your cover letter before submission. Alright, these are the top 5 points of attention. If you have any questions so far, leave a comment down below. Okay, now we can start writing the cover letter example. First we start listing our contact information. That includes your phone number and email address, followed by the date in between white lines. Address your letter to the appropriate hiring manager, using the correct name and job title. Then, list the company information followed by the salutation. Avoid generic openings such as Dear Hiring Manager, Dear Sir or Madam, and especially not to whom it may concern. In this case, we write Dear Mr. Anderson, but you can also write Greetings Mr. Anderson. In the first paragraph you have to grab the reader's attention by effectively communicating your objective and unique value proposition. Let the hiring manager know you are interested in the vacancy and where you found it. That's something they are always interested in. In the second paragraph you shortly introduce yourself, followed by your motivation for the job opportunity. You can, for example, refer to the firm's branding to demonstrate your familiarity with the style and tone of voice in their marketing campaigns. You can also highlight your own idea or approach that would complement the firm's marketing message. Key here is to show your affinity with their product or service and to grab the reader's attention. In the third paragraph you have to demonstrate your proficiency with marketing. Write down your educational background, extracurricular activities, or work experience that relate to the job requirements. Remember to not simply list your skills and achievements, but to provide context. Mention a few examples of quantifiable accomplishments in your career, or refer to attached references to prove you actually obtained the necessary skills and experience. Now the conclusion of your cover letter is very important. There are two different parts. Firstly, the cover letter closing paragraph, and secondly, the cover letter ending. In the final paragraph, you need to inform the reader about your attached resume and references if you have them. Try to summarize your core message in one sentence and let the hiring manager know what you want to further elaborate on. At last, thank them for their time and consideration and close your cover letter by saying yours sincerely or best regards, followed by your name and surname. If you did not address your letter to someone, you can use yours faithfully. Alright, in this tutorial we created a cover letter example that is in between the required 200 to 400 words and the maximum of 4 paragraphs. Keep your cover letter short, concise and to the point. Furthermore, on this screen you can find matching cover and resume templates. I would highly advise you to download one of these for a neat and professional look and feel. In the description down below you can find a link. It will redirect you to a website with many beautiful and professional looking templates. Okay, that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions related to writing a cover letter, you can leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful to you, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe for more related content. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!